Hey guys, Dr. Chad here. I raised my testosterone levels naturally without the use of gels or injections. I want to show you my secret on how I did that. My testosterone levels were extremely low. I was fatigued, I was stressed out, I was gaining weight, I had no motivation, my mind was completely fogged, even my sexual desire was starting to decline. I am here in Utah climbing a mountain. Right here there's a gondola bringing people up to the top of the mountain. I am actually walking up the mountain because I have gotten my testosterone levels to a healthy and optimal level. Those people are still on testosterone gels and injections. Those people are still on cholesterol medications. Those people are still on blood pressure medications. I took responsibility for my health and I did the right things and I healed myself. The body has an amazing healing ability. I want to show you how I did that, how I removed the interferences that allowed my body to heal. And I want to show you the essentials, the food, things that I did to help raise my testosterone levels naturally. So I want you to join me. Go to drchad.com, sign up for a free strategy call with me. I'd love to hop on a call with you. No sales, hard sales or anything like that. Just want to talk to you, see how we can get along, show you how I can help you. So go to drchad.com, download my free download, read the book, and get on a strategy call with me. Man, the air is thin up here, but I'm feeling good. Real good. Check out this view. Absolutely gorgeous. When you get your testosterones up naturally, you can join me, all right?